Did you know that you can set up polls for your TikTok live stream so you can ask your audience different questions? In today's video, I'll show you how to set it up. It's super easy. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is obviously have TikTok Live Studio. If you don't have this program installed, then make sure to install it, obviously. And once you are in TikTok Live Studio, you will see this new redesign. There's a new update that just dropped recently, and you'll see your scenes over here on the left. What you need to do is click on the tools over here to expand the tools, and now you will see the poll and gift vote. So there are two types of votes that you can do for your audience. There is a quick poll and there's a quick gift vote. So people can use gifts to vote, or people can just type in chat to vote. So if you want to do a standard poll, you can do that. If you want to do a gift poll, you can do that as well. So let's, for example, choose a quick poll. So we can easily set this up, click this right here. And then you can just, have people use different emojis to vote for certain questions. If you want to set up the text poll, you can click on the text poll and then you can ask whatever, like, will I win this game? And then options, yes or no. And then if somebody says yes, it will vote yes. If somebody says no, it will vote no. Pretty simple stuff. There's also, like I said, the gift votes. So you can do a quick gift vote again, where people use a certain gift to be able to vote for a certain thing. It's pretty simple, super easy. A lot of people don't know about this, and it does help the engagement on your streams a lot. And that's basically it. That's how you can set up polls for your stream. As I said, it's super easy, takes you no longer than like 30 seconds to do, and it helps the engagement on your stream quite a little bit. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop the like. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you're looking for more TikTok Live Studio guides, make sure to check out this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.